This question is average post Hiatus part 1. It is by the Facebook SQL interview question. Given a table of Facebook posts for each user who posted at least twice in 2021, write a SQL query to find the number of days between each user's first post of the year and the last post of the year in the year 2021. Output the user and the number of days between each user's first and last post. Okay, so we have been given a table. Let's say it is post, and these are the columns. There will be a post date where we can find out like what are the posts have been done on in 2021, and there should be more than one post by that user. So to evaluate the first and last post, the days between the first and last post basically. So we will use the max and min concept. Let's say we will take out the user ID, the last date as max of post date as last date, and min date, which is the minimum of the post date, as first date from posts. It should give us the required output. Okay, post must appear in the group by user ID, because we are finding out the maximum and min for each of the user ID. Okay, now what we have to do is that we will use this as a subquery, and now we have to select user ID, or we can say subquery dot or subtable dot user ID from this table as S, where the conditions are there should be more than one tweets. Then only we are able to define the days between two dates. So what we can do is that S dot first date should not be equal to S dot last date. This confirms that the number of posts done by that user is more than one. And other thing is like all the posts should be done in the year 2021. So we can say S dot first date should be greater than equal to 2021 01 01, and S dot last date should be less than 2021 12 31. Yeah, this should work. And the thing is like we have to now subtract the last minus the first as to make it as to evaluate the days between the first and last date. So what we can do is that we can use the last date minus the first date as days between, and this should work. Let's see. I think okay. Does it have to be ordered? I don't think so. Let's give it a try to submit it and see whether it's accepted or not. Yeah, it is accepted. Okay, thank you.